That Girl Habits for 2022.
Hello pretty people of the internet, my name is Sakshi and this is my YouTube channel. So today I just wanted to sit in here and talk to you all about becoming that girl. So I really want to become that girl in 2022 and I'm not gonna put any pressure on myself, but I'm still gonna motivate myself enough to become the best version of myself. And that girl for me means just that, nothing else, nothing like extremely fancy or aesthetic person. I just want to become my best self in 2022 and I'm gonna take you all along with me on this journey. I really hope that this video motivates you to become your best version and it motivates every single one of us to know our potential and to work towards it. So I'm going to talk about 12 habits in total that I'm going to try and implement in my life, and if you would like to then you can also try and do that, and if you don't then that's alright as well. You can watch this video just for fun. And yeah, so I don't want to make this intro any longer. We're just gonna get started with this video. So let's just get right into it. So the first and the biggest one for me is to create routines. Now routines can be my morning routine, my skincare routine, my nighttime routine, my self-care routine, and any other routine that I can possibly incorporate in my day-to-day life. Routines make your life easy and not boring. You really need to know that, and I need to know that, because for the longest time I thought that if I have a routine that I'm just gonna do the same thing every single day and then I'm gonna get bored. But honestly, I am anyway bored of just scrolling on my phone, so might as well incorporate something way cooler in my morning routine than just like going to the washroom and scrolling on my phone. So that's the number one thing that I want to incorporate in my life in the new year. Second habit that I want to do or try to incorporate is start meditating. We all know meditation has so many impact and like positive impacts on our lives, and still we don't make time for it, and it barely take like 5 to 20 minutes a day and your life is gonna be so much more better. And I want to start meditating on a regular basis, but if I don't do it regularly, still I want to at least meditate 5 to 6 times a week. I didn't want to make it like a thing that I do like every single day, because then it will be very hard for me and I don't want to be that hard on myself. I just want to incorporate things in my life very slowly. So I thought I'm gonna slowly build it up, and in the future I hope that I will be able to do it every single day. But right now I'm trying to incorporate it into my routines and let's see how that works out. So meditation is the second thing that I am kind of trying to focus on. The third one is a very basic generic thing that you must have always heard, and that is to drink more water. And not just drink more water, but to have like teas or to have warm water and add lemons into it or ACV into it, like like just little small ways that you can incorporate and just spice up things for you. So yeah, just like drinking water in general is extremely beneficial for us. It just gives you so much more power, energy throughout the day, and why don't we do these things? I just don't understand that. Anyway, so that's the third thing that I want to incorporate. Fourth one is to spend more time with myself and just like get to know myself a bit better. Now I obviously spend pretty much my entire day by myself, but I really think that I am not there yet. I just spend my time on my phone connecting with people on the internet. Now like I don't do it directly like go and DM people, but still like surfing or even like watching reels, I am just seeing other people's lives, and that is not really alone time in my opinion. So I truly want to just like spend time by myself and just do things that I love, like drawing or like designing something or something like very cool and all of that stuff. I have just designed a planner for January. In the description bar below, I'm gonna add in all the details about it, and you can also go on to my Instagram and see all the details about the planner that I have created. And trust me, this planner can be really helpful, so go and check it out. I've kept the price very low just because I don't think students really have that much money to spend. Just like go and check it out, and if it seems fun then totally go and buy it. Anyways, next one and a very big one for me is to go out. Now like exploring is a whole resolution that I have for this year, and exploring, I just want to explore this world. And if I can't explore the world right now because I don't have that much money to spend, but just like going somewhere near my place can definitely be a cooler way than just like sitting in my room and not doing anything. So I really want to explore this year, and I personally feel exploring can just like teach you so much about yourself and your surroundings. So I really want to do that, and this year I'm really trying to save and go out and spend on the things that truly matter instead of just like staying in my room and doing online shopping. I am extremely guilty of this one, and I am really trying to like save money this year. So let's see how that goes for me. Anyway, the next one that I have and that I have been very consistently doing for the last 5 months, I would say, is journaling. Journaling, it has so many benefits, and I have experienced so many of these benefits in my day-to-day life. So journaling definitely is a big one, and I am gonna make a whole video on journaling in the future, so stay tuned for that and subscribe. So right now I have two journals that I use. One is a Know Thyself journal, like in which I'm gonna learn more about me, and it's just for me so that I can get to know myself a bit more, and more like it's more introspective, if you would say that. And the other journal that I have, in that I use prompts, and sometimes I just do free flow writing. In that I just write whatever is on my mind so that I can have it on a paper. So that's also something that's really fun, and I'm gonna make a whole ass video on this, so stay tuned for that. Another thing that I want to do in this year is to read a lot of books, like a lot of books. Right now the book that I'm reading is Eat That Frog, and I am 60% done with the book, and I'm loving it so far. And today is what, like 5th of January, and I'm already done with 60% of my first book that I am reading this year. So I think I'm on a great start with my reading more books this year thingy. Also, I just discovered that if you find a book that you truly like, you're not gonna procrastinate reading it. Another thing that I want to do this year is to improve myself in every single way possible. I really want to learn new things in my life, and I don't want to be like this stagnant person who is just doing CA and don't know anything about anything else. So I really don't want to be that person no more. So in this year I really want to like learn new things, and or maybe learn a new language. That's a really big one, and that can definitely have like really cool effects in my life. Another thing that I'm trying to incorporate in my life is to eat healthier, and a very easy way of doing that is to have at least one healthy meal every single day, no matter what. And I think this is pretty easy if you just have your first meal of the day very healthy. Can definitely be the easiest way of incorporating having one healthy meal a day thingy. So yeah, definitely maybe give it a shot. You can also go grocery shopping and just like buy a bunch of healthy things for yourself. Also, even buying fruits and making a smoothie bowl, which I do a lot, is a very easy way, and it ain't that expensive either. So you can also try that out. Another thing that is a big one is to move and just like incorporate more movement into my life. It don't necessarily have to be a core workout or an abs workout, a butt workout, or like anything of that sort. You just want to like move your body as much as possible. So it can be by working out definitely, but if you don't like working out like me, I truly get very lazy when it comes to working out. So yeah, we can also try doing yoga or just like walking in general. Walking for an hour a day can be a really great way of just getting those steps in and having movement in your life. Also, if you're going somewhere, then you can also walk to that place if it's nearby and not use a vehicle for it. That can be a really great way as well. Another thing that I want to do this year is to concentrate on my work way more than anything else, and try and reduce my phone screen time. I am trying my best to reduce it, but let's see how it goes. But I really want to become the best in my industry, and to just like learn as many things that I can towards the person that I want to become in the future. So definitely something I'm looking forward to. Also, another habit that I want to incorporate into my life is becoming disciplined and just like getting things done even when I'm not motivated to do it. Actually, discipline is something that I find very hard for me, because I sometimes feel that I am not that driven, even though I like things and I wanna be at a certain place by a certain age. But I sometimes do feel that I don't have the drive or my why I want to do certain things in my life. So I really need to like do more journaling and get to know that a bit more, so that I can have my own push, and people who can push themselves are the leaders. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna try and incorporate that as well. Also, another thing that I really want to do is have greater and like really nice relationships with people in my life. It can be with or friends, your significant other, or it can be any random person that you find on the internet or while you're walking on the road. Just being nice and being kind to people is something that I'm really trying to incorporate. So let's see how that one goes. Those are all the habits that I'm trying to incorporate in my life to become my best self. And all these things in turn are gonna help me become my best version and become that girl in my life. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot. I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.